Good afternoon, kids. Hope you all are doing very good in your life. As far as now, we have completed two proper chapters in psychology class 12 syllabus. In today's lecture, we are going to start with new chapter. The name of the chapter is personality. As you all know, the name itself is quite interesting. The topic is very much interesting. Under this chapter, we are going to study about different aspects of personality, how one can change his personality, how to boost the personality, and what matters most in the personality. In this chapter, we are also going to study about the cases. I will give you some different case studies, and that case studies will definitely make you much more better in understanding the concept and visualize it and to practice it and to mark it up in daily life. Let us talk about personality. What does the word personality means? You all have gone through this word many more times in life, maybe in your school life, in your class 11, class 12, or in your plus 2 levels also during graduations, or during the pre-final years and the final years, or a day before the interview round also. You might be bothering about the word personality. What does the word personality means? When we communicate, when we talk about something, what exactly we mean? See, it is very important the way we talk, the communication part which we want to deliver. Is it delivering in the same way, or it is delivering by somewhat delay? Is it delivering in positive vibes, or is it giving some negative vibes? These are some wider concept which is to be covered inside the personality. But before going into depth of that, let us study about two cases, case 1 and case 2. In case 1, take any name, let us say Mr. X. Mr. X have a very good husky body, he is quite smart, he looks smart, he behaves smart, but when he talks to someone, he talks in very rude manner. And in case 2, let us take Miss C. Miss C is quite gentle and he greets everyone in polite manner. She always try to help people, she always try to motivate people. So in these two cases, what you are seeing, the first case shows the perfect body cases, the structures and the way of life is very perfect. He is going to gym, he is a gym trainer, he works at a lot of level. But in case 2, you are seeing the girl who is very gentle, she is very polite, she respects everyone, she tries to help everyone. According to you, which person is more attractive, case 1 or case 2? Definitely your answer will be case 2. Okay, now I will tell you why. There are n number of people who wrongly behave that personality means the outer appearance. But let me tell you clearly, personality have no relations, I am repeating, no relations with your outlooks. Okay, if you want a well-groomed personality, you can add on your outlook plus your extra qualities like being gentle, being polite, being knowledgeable person, and gaining the respect for yourself by doing your works. This is how the personality grows. So always keep in mind one thing, कि personality cannot only rely on your outlook, it must rely on your outlook and the inner look also. When these two comes together, they beautify the person and that person looks very much good. So now I guess I am clear about the word personality. Okay, अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग तरीके से बता सकते हैं. आई टेल यू दिस थिंग इन हिंदी ऑल्सो कि जो पर्सनैलिटी है, जो व्यक्तित्व है, उसका संबंध केवल आपके बाहरी रूप से नहीं होना चाहिए, आपके आंतरिक मन से भी होना चाहिए. चलिए लेट्स प्रोसीड फॉरवर्ड. सो इन दिस there are n number of psychologists who have given a definition of psychologies of personality in different way. But before going to definition, let us go in the history of personality. Personality word arrived from the word persona. Persona means mask. If you study the medieval history or the modern history, during the starting of the modern history age, the modern era in history, there was n number of artists who played roles on stages. So for playing different role, they have to cover their faces with different types of masks. So from there they got the word persona and they related this word with the human quality, and then the word has came into existence was personality. Okay, so what does personality exactly means? we can say it is a pattern of individuals thinking, feeling and behaving throughout the life. How you think, how you behave, how you react to particular situation, it shows your personality. Suppose if you are a gentle person, if you respect women, if you respect girls, if you respect your parents, then you are of much more better personality compared to those guys who have smart look but who does not have even simple obligations, who does not have even simple manners to behave. Okay, point number one. So in that there are various factors which affects our personality. In today's lecture I will tell you about only two major factors. First one we'll talk about heredity and second one we are going to talk about endocrine glands. What does heredity affects? Heredity, as you have already studied about heredity in class 10, that whenever a transfer of genetic proportion from parents to offspring occurs, it is reflected in terms of heredity in the offspring or a upcoming child. Okay, the better qualities, the good qualities of parents, sometimes some negative qualities also of the parents get transmitted in terms of gene, that is segmented DNA, transmit to the baby's body, and that is what because of which the baby gains a personality. Okay, if we talk about glands like endocrine glands, what are the various glands? Let us talk about pituitary glands, thyroid glands, pancreas, endocrine glands. These are some glands which react to your feelings, your emotions. Means suppose for example if you are feeling very much happy, then all your glands will release happy stimulating hormones. When you feel down, then your brain release low stimulating hormones. Means even this gland plays an important role in internal makeup of a personality. So if you want to be have great personality, if you want to become a person who attracts every Tom, Dick and Harry towards him because of the personality qualities, then there are three basic rules. If you follow that three basic rules, you can attract anybody and your personality will be always noticed in lakhs and lakhs of people also. First one is be punctual, second one is be obedient, and third one is have patience. If you have three qualities like this, you can gain much more better personality. In next lecture, we are going to talk about other factors which affects personality. Thank you. If any doubt, please ping me or comment me.